Hello, welcome back. In today's video, let's demonstrate the complete user management system application built using JavaFX and MySQL Database. So, this is our project structure. As you can see, we have a project, user management app. Inside that, we have different packages like all forms. And here we have homepage, login form. Then we have user management package. Inside that we have different subpackages like permission management, permission assignment, rule, session, user role, and util. Today, let's demonstrate this system built using JavaFX and MySQL database. Okay, before showing the demo, let's check the playlist because we have already uploaded all the videos on my YouTube channel. Let's open that. As you can see here, we have the complete playlist of user management system application. We have 20 videos. You can watch all the videos step by step, and we have explained each and everything with clear explanation. So remember that if you not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel to get more information about Java, JavaFX, MySQL database, Java Swing user interface, and so on. Let's switch back to the application. Okay, this is our project login form. Let's enter correct username and password to login. Okay guys, this is our project template. You can get this template from the GitHub link. There is no problem. We have different options like homepage, manage students, manage books, issue books, return books, manage reports, and we have manage users. So all the modules are not implemented yet. We have only implemented the user management module. Let's open that. Okay, this is our user management system application module. And here we have different options like users, rules, permissions, user rules, and permission assignment. Okay, in this video, we don't want to explain each and everything because we have explained each and everything in the playlist. There is no problem. You can watch these videos, and here we have explained each and everything with clear explanation. Remember that for this project we have used MVC architecture and data access object pattern. Okay friends, let's check the system. As you can see, we have the complete user management system application built using JavaFX and MySQL database, and you can integrate this application with any JavaFX project like student management, library management, stock management, human resource management, and so on. So, if you have any questions, you can write them in the comment. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos with friends. That is enough for today. Have a good day. See you in the next one.